This is the evolution scalar technology, and it is a sacred geometry that is working on a quantum level with the DNA. The symbols that are in here are all through Astra'Luma, and I'm just going to show you the symbols, and then I'm going to move into channeling and let Astra'Luma tell you what they are and how to use them. This is the Lu, the Ska or Scalar, and the 33. So let's have Astra'Luma come in and take this a little further. The Lu symbol is the technology that brings all of reality into a neutral space. You can see this as the eraser of reality, as in how consciousness experiences it, bringing it into a neutral space where consciousness can begin to release the attachments of what it understands, how it projects through a program. When you are experiencing life and you are ready to experience it differently, you simply run the Lu. You can bring the Lu into your pineal gland. Your pineal gland holds the master cell. As the Lu runs through the pineal gland, it is bringing every cell of the body into a neutral space. You can begin to feel in the body as it releases the attachment to the program. You then bring in the Ska or the scalar. This moves through all 7 layers of consciousness, allowing consciousness to experience 0 point, meaning the programmed reality has now cleared and consciousness is held in no space, no time, or neutrality. It is ready to be realigned to a higher state of reality. This is when you turn on the 33, simply bringing the 33 into the pineal gland and allowing it to spin as it activates your divine technology or the frequency of source through the DNA. It is in this space that you can use your intention to ignite a new reality. What do you prefer? This allows the frequency of source to move through consciousness, connecting into the intention, and then realigning the particles of your body and reality to match the frequency of source of your intention. You have just shifted realities using the technology that is stored within you.